Best regards, my name is Juan José Mendoza Leal. I want to tell an anecdote that happened to me which I was very young. My older sister and a toy teaching Lord. It was a little blind and many lies. I stole this toy one day to play, and accidentally damaged the lies for fear they might verse or score me. I hidden my older still lies. The just joy with messing. She clicking notify my parents and the afternoon living sister and me where the joy was. That those de was benday both taken into play. I deny having taken in and my younger sister did know me saying that for tail punish as and my younger sister because made.